What's up, guys? This is Linus the Taiwanese who teaches Chinese online. Today's movie with Chinese synthesis is Limitless 药命效应 in Chinese, a 2001 American sci-fi thriller film directed by Neil Burger and starred by Bradley Cooper. The scene with Chinese synthesis is at the end of the movie when the waiter takes order from Eddie. That's what he said.
I've already ordered.
担担面啊，2個cōngyóubǐng青葱烧龙虾，千萬不要給我wèijīng啊！
wèijīn會保護你的衣服。
可是會把我的āngzāng做啊
To be honest, I couldn't understand a word when the first time I watched this movie. I mean, both of Eddie and the waiter. Not just the pronunciations, the whole dialogue. It was just a disaster. Anyway, let's go over them line by line.
I've already ordered.
担担面啊，2個cōngyóubǐng青葱烧龍蝦，千萬不要給我wèijīng。
In the beginning, Eddie said, 炸醬麵2個蔥油餅青蔥燒龍蝦千萬不要給我味精 zhájiàngmiàn is noodles served with fried bean sauce with minced pork. Zhajiang is the name of the sauce with minced pork, and mian is noodle. cōngyóubǐng is scallion pancake. Cōng means scallion, you means oil, because the dish is a bit greasy, and bǐng indicates the pancake. qīngcōng烧龙虾 is scallion lobster. Scallion can also be translated as qīngcōng. Shāo means to burn, and 龙虾 means lobster. 千万 to be sure to, must. 千万不要 must not. 给我 to give me, 味精 MSG. The whole sentence says, noodles served with fried bean sauce with minced pork, 2 scallion pancakes, and scallion lobster must not give me MSG. When ordering food, you must say number plus measure such as 个 or 份 plus the name of the dish, and add 和 or 跟 or 还有 before the last dish that you order. If I'm going to say the same sentence, I will say 我要一份炸酱面2份葱油饼和1份青葱烧龙虾 which is much more clear. As for the second sentence, some people think that is very unhealthy to have 味精, but 千万 sounds way too strong unless you have been to a restaurant many times and they never listened. You can just say 不要加味精 or 不要放味精, don't add MSG.
味精会保護你的衣服。
圍巾會保護你的衣服。圍巾 scarf 會 will 保護 to protect 你的 your 衣服 clothes. The scarf will protect your clothes. They are making a joke here because 圍巾 sounds similar to 味精 even though it's not funny at all to a native speaker like me. 圍巾 actually means the scarf around the neck that keeps you warm. In a restaurant, we call that 餐巾 napkin. Instead of saying 会 will, it's more natural to say 可以 to be able to. Therefore, if someone says 不要给我餐巾 don't give me napkin to me, and I disagree, I would say 可是餐巾可以保護你的衣服 but the napkin can protect your clothes. Or 可是餐巾是用来保護你的衣服的 but the napkin is used to protect your clothes.
可是會把我的āngzāng做啊
可是不會保護我的骯髒手。可是 but 不會 won't 保護 to protect 我的 my 骯髒 to be dirty 手 hand. Eddie said, but it won't protect my dirty hands as he got into politics. The idea is fine, but this is not the way we talk. If I have to keep the same meaning and make it more colloquial, I would say 可是没办法保護我已經弄髒的手 but it cannot protect my hands that have been dirty. I don't know what was going on with the scriptwriter, but it is definitely not the best idea to invent a joke in a language that you don't know well. Man, it's Hollywood. You have spent a lot of money making this film. Is it hard for you to find a Chinese expert and get this done? I guess not, but you just didn't do it, obviously. Well, hope you learned something today. Feel free to ask me any question in the comments. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.